Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the header or footer. Double-click it to enter edit mode. Once done, scan for the page number field, often shown as page X of Y or a simple number. If your document uses section breaks, make sure to uncheck or disable link to previous so changes apply only where you want them. By doing this first, you avoid removing numbers from other sections unintentionally. This step sets up a clean workspace for targeted deletion. Next, select the page number field and delete it. This removes visible numbers immediately. If you need a different approach, open Format Page Numbers to change numbering style or restart numbering at a specific value, useful when mixing Roman and Arabic numerals. For documents with multiple sections, repeat this selection and deletion in each section's header or footer. Make sure to save or use undo if a removal affects other areas. This preserves layout while you confirm the result. Finally, close the header or footer and scroll through the document to confirm all page numbers are gone. If a number still appears, check for manual entries inside text boxes or frames. Sometimes numbers were typed rather than inserted as fields. Also inspect section breaks again. A linked header can reintroduce numbering. If layout shifts or something breaks, use undo immediately or restore from your last saved copy. That will let you try a different, safer approach without losing work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.